Right, here we are. It's the 8th of July 2013. We're in a van in Wheelie Castle Square, and I've got a builder friend of mine who claims he can do the Rubik's Cube in 5 minutes. Hang on a second, hang on. What's your name?
Nick Johnston.
Yeah, isn't that weird, yeah? You made that up, didn't you?
I promise
you. You knew you were coming to see me, and you just wanted to make that up.
I'll get you a card in a bit.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. No pressure, Nick.
No pressure.
What's your name again?
Nick Johnston.
I am going to get a business card, you know that.
You can.
What time in this? 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
No, you had 2 minutes yet. You're only about 30.
I'm just going to put the pressure on. No, go on, Nick. We have faith. Pressure's on now, isn't it?
Got the fucking shakes.
Oh, the white's come good. Oh, he's almost had the white then.
Did it, boom.
2 minutes.
Wap, wap, wap. No, carry on, carry on.
I think it's about 1 minute and 20 now.
Well, as he's looking for the obvious signs of the algorithm that gives him the next clue to the challenge, Nick Johnston is there battling away the cryptic Rubik's Cube, which has plagued the minds of countless millions. But this man can do it in record-breaking time.
I think I fucked up.
Oh, and I made it sound so good. Oh, you almost got it. There we go, there's one. Hey, stop the clock, brother. Stop the clock. That's Nick Johnson, that is.
Well, I got the shakes doing that as well.